Hi, I'm not.
James.
I'm James.
Hi, I'm Deidre.
Hi, I'm Deidre.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I am.
Oh. Hi, I'm Deidre.
Hi, I'm James. And we are working on our 1974 vintage Sun Kamper. It's been
Truck.
Truck camper, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's not a car camper.
It's a truck camper.
Yeah, you're right.
We've done 4 episodes. This is our 5th episode. So if you've missed the first 4, go back to the playlist and see what we've completed so far. But we're making progress.
It's a pretty fun little project. It has its ups and downs, but yeah, I screwed up the roof severe.
No, they don't know that yet.
Well, they're gonna find out. That's why I'm telling them.
Make sure you like
Subscribe.
and
Press the play button.
no, hit.
Oh, hit the play button.
No, hit the notification.
Oh, now it's the notification button. Hit something, anyways. Doesn't matter what it is.
Okay.
There's only so many things on YouTube. Bang, boom, bam. Yeah. Come see the Sun Kamper.
Enjoy.
Stupid.
Today's paint day, and because this wood is this laminate, cheap laminate wood, it has to have a primer. So this is the primer that we're using, and I'm all set. I've just taken the cover off of this, and I'm gonna spray paint it with heat resistant spray paint in black, because this is just ugly. Everything has one coat of primer on it, and it seems to be drying really well and adhering really well to laminate board. So I think we're all set for the first coat of the latex paint. Okay, all finished, and it took 2 coats, but it covered really well and adhered really well. So I'm happy with the results. I left the bench seating and the cupboards in the kitchen, and I'm going to do them in a black. So that's my next job.
Making some boards for the trials in the room. Check it out.
Cutting in some new styrofoam for the other stuff that was completely waterlogged and rotten.
Putting a lap seal on, it's self-leveling, so it doesn't look the prettiest putting it on, but it levels out and keeps all the joints safe from leakage. Not the most favorite job in the world, but we gotta do her. At work we did put a new roof and stuff in it.
We decided to do the walls white and then do the cabinets black and the seating area. I think it looks really good. after painting everything and putting the cushions back in, I kind of like them. So I don't think we're going to get them reupholstered. I think we're going to keep them the original and just go with it. And it'll have that 1974 feel. Okay, we're on to Plan B.
Plan B, we picked up some fiberglass panel board. It's a lot lighter, easier to use. The tongue and groove actually was almost 4 pounds of board, and we had 20 boards in here. So, well, 30 boards in here. It was 125 pounds more weight, and it was just too much for the roof of the pop-up to work and function properly. So we're going to do our best with what we got here.
Contact cement and this board, and we're gluing it on. And this just joints it together.
Yep. Yeah, it's just
makes a nice
clean edge on it.
Clean edge. I want to keep the stove the original color, but I'm going to take these off, and I've got a heat resistant spray paint that I'm going to use to make them look new again.
This is the side sealant. Put on and make your camper sexy. Keep the water out.
Side sealant.
Oh, I don't know what they call it. Seam sealant or something. It's for RVs. Forget the name of it. Yet.
Proflex RV.
Yeah, it really seems to really be going on good.
Kind of self-leveling.
I don't know. I'm just really good at it.
Screwed up the roof the first time with tongue and groove, and it was way too heavy. Like,
way too heavy.
wow. It was almost 4 pounds of board, and there was like, it worked out there was like 125 pounds added to the roof. Like, I mean, oh my God, I couldn't believe that I didn't even think of that situation, and it's kind of a little bit depressing because it looked good. And
So we went to Plan B.
Plan B, and I got some fiberglass sheeting. I don't know, I guess it's for showers and all that kind of stuff, and put it on the roof. It's pretty lightweight, and it actually looks really, really good, and turned out probably better than the tongue and groove.
I think we're going to leave the cushions in that came with it, so we can keep it original.
Yeah.
Do you like that idea?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the cushions.
No, it looks good.
Yeah.
And then we can base the whole inside,
Yeah.
colors and everything, over those original pillows.
Yeah. They're cushions, not pillows.
Cushions.
Yeah, the pillows. There's no pillows in it yet. You're dreaming of fucking smothering it in pillows like every other place in the house. We smile a little bit and tell each other how we love each other. I think our marriage will last. I'm
Through the
pretty
camper
sure.
renovation?
Yeah, no, yeah,
It's sketchy.
yeah.
It's because you wouldn't listen to me.
Yeah.
You want original.
Yeah,
The
but
way it was in
See,
1974.
we're not supposed to be arguing online.
No,
We're supposed
no,
to make it look like we like each other all the time. No,
No?
not at all. No, junk. Junk. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get the roof on and try to make a system to, you know, put it up and down easy, collapse it and set it up. So before it goes to our upholstery guy to get the new sides made for it.
Hopefully he can do it for us.
I know he can do it. It's just with what's going on in the world, it might be a little sketchy to get him to do it. Keto friendly. Cheers.